I don't say that Tinubu is a saint, but I'm trying to tell you, we hold responsible who should be held responsible. Why can't the governor of Oyo buy drones and fly them up and show us where his children are? Because they are his children. They are distracting our attention. Using kidnapping of children for politicking. You think they can deceive us? Evil satanic politics. So that whoever becomes the president, they'll begin to cause insecurity. And if the people will say, let the president go. They did it against our beloved Jonathan. And some are giving Tinubu 3 months to flush out whatever. What Buhari could not do in 8 years. What Jonathan could not do in 6 years. Is he a magician?
Mbaka again. Mbaka, instead of you to support P2B, you are indirectly supporting Tinubu, campaigning for him again. You are saying here, let's hold the people that are supposed to be held responsible. And you again say that you are not saying that Tinubu is a saint, but what, Mbaka? So Mbaka, you never learn. So you are still playing this smart game you are playing. So all this suffering, we are suffering for long. You never tired, Mbaka. So you are still thinking that Tinubu are sent in your eyes. But P2B is evil. Though, no wonder. I know that you are a city boy movement already. I know. You are playing hanky-panky game. Just imagine what you are saying. Just listen to yourself. You are calling here now Seyi Makinde, governor of your state, to go and rescue those children and women inside bush. How about Tinubu that is the president? So Tinubu is not the problem, Abi. Mbaka, why are you playing politics? So all these people dying in Nigeria, you don't care. All you care is to use indirectly campaigning for Tinubu. That's why you never mention P2B for your mouth for once. Because now you're seeing people talking about Tinubu, how he's a bad person, how he's ruling us like dumb baby. That's why now you come out to redirect them to hold Seyi Makinde responsible instead of Tinubu. Mbaka. Watch the video first.